Hi creators, welcome back to HitPaw channel. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating secrets of image enhancement. Have you ever captured a beautiful moment only to find it slightly blurry when you looked at the photo? Or perhaps you've come across an old scanned image that could use some restoration? Well, you have come to the right place. We'll be showing you how to unblur an image and enhance its quality, turning it into a stunning masterpiece. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or simply someone who wants to improve their photo collection, this tutorial is for you. So, let's reveal the secrets. The top secret is to harness the power of AI technology. Artificial intelligence can already work wonders in unblurring images. Compared with the old ways of photo editing and restoration process, it consumes quite a time and professional skills. But with AI photo enhancement, people can simply move their fingers and ask AI to do the work for you. Turning your photos into crisp 4K, 8K, or super high quality isn't a dream anymore. Next, allow us to introduce a cutting-edge AI software to you, HitPaw Photo Enhancer. It has all the functions displayed just now. Let's see how we can use the magic of AI. After installing, we have the software on the desktop. Launch the AI Photo Enhancer. The download link will be put in the description. This is the Mac version. There are also versions for Windows, online, and mobile phone. Next, we want to import blurry photos into the enhancer. Simply drag or select the photos to import. On the right side are 4 AI models. Each one has special use for different cases. Take the general model for instance. As its name says, it works for most cases, such as landscape, animal, or portrait image. Hover the mouse on the models to learn more about the usage info. What we need to do is to select a proper model and apply it to the photo. Of course, we can try different models and get the best result, or enhance the image for many times. But believe me, that would be unnecessary, because we can choose the target resolution to be like upscaling by 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times, even customize the resolution ourselves. Then click Preview. AI will take care of the rest. After processing for a while, like a few seconds, the image is ready. We can compare the difference and details. There is no doubt that the photo is well unblurred. Here are some other results of different images after the AI enhancement. One thing to mention is that HitPaw Photo Enhancer also does well in colorizing black and white photo and old photo restoration. It could be a savior of our old family photos. Usually there are more than one image to unblur. HitPaw Photo Enhancer has batch process function, which allows us to process hundreds of thousands of images altogether. Leave the AI to do the work and greatly save our time. Alright, this is the secret of how to unblur an image. Are you satisfied with the secret? Let us know in the comment. What's more, the enhancer is also available in online web page and mobile application. If you guys are interested in unblurring your images to high quality, feel free to explore it yourselves. All the link will be prepared in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends to let more people know the secret. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.